What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in with you this morning. I was asked a few small questions about my CD and how to get it. Well, my CD is on Amazon, it's on cdbaby.com, it's on iTunes, it's on YouTube where you can stream it, it's on Spotify, Pandora, wherever you like to listen to your music at. This is the CD, the last one I released, which is called Black Feniks Live to Be Remembered. And this one pretty much just gives you an overall outlook on who I am, where I'm coming from, um, pretty much why I'm doing what I'm doing. And to me, releasing my hip hop is just an expression of my freedom. I like being able to be free. I like getting my hog on by all means. So, Living to Be Remembered is a CD that represents my struggle, where I'm coming from, and where I'm going. Hold on.